The Europe-India Foundation for Excellence, or EIFE, organized the second edition of Global Skill Development Meet in Paris in June 2017. The event, which was the biggest gathering of skill development and training professionals from India and 7 European nations, was organized in collaboration with the Embassy of India, Paris, the National Skill Development Corporation, the OECD, the UNDP, and the largest French industry association, UIMM. With a focus on key sectors such as aviation, defense, manufacturing, healthcare, and hospitality, training experts from Germany, Switzerland, Russia, Belgium, Austria, the United Kingdom, and of course France presented the training scenario in their nations and offered assistance to nearly 70 Indian training companies, ministers from Maharashtra and Uttarakhand, as well as senior government officials from various ministries.
Many new things are happening between India and France in the fields of strategic partnership, which is defense, aerospace, civil nuclear energy, of course, indeed, trade and economic cooperation, and all the flagship government initiatives like Make in India, Startup India, Skill India find their resonance also in the Indo-French strategic partnership.
The issue of skilling within India cannot be solved by the government only, it's just impossible. And first, because actually the first that's going to benefit from the skilling ecosystem is going to be the private sector, and it has to be the private sector.
Many young people work in sectors even though they have been studied in a different sector. There is a big mismatch between what they've studied and what they're doing once they are into the labor market. This is a choice that individuals have to make, but in many countries, young people do not receive adequate mentoring, support, counseling about the opportunities a different field of study will give them.
Month of November, our state of Maharashtra, we are going to launch our Overseas Placement Center. It will be a center which will provide the entire globe the required workforce as per the curriculum of each requirements from the industry, not only India but abroad in each country.
I think every country do have challenges when it comes to skills. When we talk to various countries on our international collaboration platform, we understand whatever one might have done, there are new sets of challenges. The skill ecosystem is such that we need to be ahead of time. The skilling is all about future. So how do we need to be ahead of times? How do we need to anticipate what is going to come? And how do we need to update it? I think Russia also is one of the countries which have been on the forefront of skilling efforts. And there has been an effort for last 7-8 years when it is also trying to re-engineer its whole.
We believe that not only advanced technologies have to come to market, advanced skills program have to come to market. Actually, we have there are quite a lot of national programs about smart cities and about smart population. Talking about advanced technology, we think that advanced technology needs advanced skills and needs advanced persons.
MORD, or the Ministry of Rural Development, has had a long history in terms of skilling, but then it was training. We moved from the word training to skilling, and skilling with a definite outcome. The two outcomes that we measure our success with is, one is the wage placement and two is self-employment. To cater to these, we have one, the wage placement link program, which is the DDU-GKY, and for the entrepreneurship development program, or where we promote self-employment, we have the RCT program, the Rural Self-Employment Training Institutes, spread across the country.
Our courses are free of cost, no charges. We have also paid them a stipend of 2,500 per month, who are staying in more than 7 kilometers from the centers. Third-party assessment, biometric attendance, all our trainings are being monitored from dashboard centrally at our central office.
Nearly 200 B2B meetings were facilitated during the event to allow the European and Indian professionals to discuss collaboration opportunities, and several MoUs and letters of intent were signed during the event, including a trilateral MoU between the EIFE, the NSDC and the largest French industry association, UIMM, as well as between the EIFE and UNDP. In the months to come, several projects that were initiated and discussed at the second GSDM would be rolled out in India. So do stay tuned for updates.